To connect Phantom Wallet, start by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the download button to install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a new wallet or restore an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. After setting up your wallet, you will be asked to create a password to secure your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password and make sure to store it safely. Next, you will see your wallet dashboard where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other wallet settings. To connect to a specific blockchain network, such as Solana, click on the Network drop-down menu and select the desired network. To connect your Phantom Wallet to a decentralized application or website, go to the website and click on the Connect Wallet button. Select Phantom Wallet from the list of available wallets and confirm the connection on the Phantom Wallet pop-up. Make sure to always verify the website URL and the connection request to avoid any potential phishing scams. It is also important to keep your wallet and browser up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Finally, to ensure the security of your wallet, always use a strong and unique password. Enable two-factor authentication, and store your secret recovery phrase in a safe and secure location. By following these steps, you can securely connect your Phantom Wallet to any decentralized application or website.